Hey everybody, this is Skip Turner, our R&D manager. Skip, what are you working on?
Well, I'm adding 4 auxiliary e-stops to this conveyor deck. This deck will get put on top of a mere robot that already has 4 onboard emergency stops, but because of how much bigger the conveyor deck footprint is in the mirror, those e-stops are inaccessible. Safety is one of the most important things that customers looking for automation equipment require. They want a system that's safe, they want a system that's 98% reliable, and they want a system that's easy to use. We've all seen those placards or marquees at the entrance to a manufacturing facility that calls out the lost time injury, and that's like a big scarlet letter. You know, it's either a number that the company's proud of or it's a number they're working on. So everybody wants to go home safe at the end of the day.